Okay. Remember, when you increase the throttle, you must increase the rudder. Please do not wait for me to give you an engine failure. Just keep going with everything. Alright.
Okay.
Let's do the downwind checks, please.
Excellent, yeah. Warning lights. Over 3 greens. 3 greens confirmed. Mixture is rich. Pitch 25.
Don't climb, please. Do not climb.
Okay, pitch 25. Fuel pumps go on. In on arc. Left 10. Approach Papa Kilo Sierra. Overhead. VW factory at 2,000 feet.
Subjects, let's go down.
Subjects.
Getting more and more
Tower to
altitude.
Victor 26 arrival, QNH 1020.
15 inches, 3 greens confirmed, and left 25, hold the nose. 90.
Okay, so go around 25, 25. Don't pull up into a high nose altitude, just nose touching the horizon. Climb at 90 and then you start to decline. Flat gear, flat power and all those things.
Checks.
You've done the cuff checks already. The puff checks. We don't want to do the cuff checks.
Okay.
Okay. Look, the cuff checks, do it once as it demonstrates. Let's focus here.
Okay, approaching, going around.
Okay.
And 25 inches, going around.
3,000 feet, radar identified on the
Nose and nose.
25 please, don't waste time. 25, let's do this right. Come, raise the nose and focus.
Okay.
Let's do this, let's do this. What are you waiting for?
Under radio control.
Okay, positive rudder. Rudder.
Slow the nose, slow the nose, slow the nose.
Nudge.
Lower the nose. There we go.
Approach, good range, pitch forward, 25.
More rudder.
Thank you, approach, good day, comply with
Okay, more rudder, alright. So then clean.
Yep.
Steps away. Identify. Verify. Okay. Please can you feather the left engine for me up with the right engine?
Okay.
Yeah.
90 please.
Juliet, just confirm.
Yeah, we're maintaining 90.
Radar directed Alice approach.
Release rudder.
Let's come.
Procedural
Don't pull up so much, eh?
Yeah, there was a student here earlier that is doing tests with you and he's asking possible vectors onto the RS for runway 08, so I'm not sure if it's this student or the next one.
It might have been the next one. So if you, whatever you can accommodate, I know it's awkward on 08, but...
Okay, but but traffic permitting, we can see what we can organise for you. If you request the
nose,
approach, the RS approach on
Top
reserve,
flap
we can
open.
try and accommodate you.
On
Otherwise,
the live
whatever you
engine
wanna do.
please. Not the dead engine, Carlo. The live engine. Maintain 90
Like
please.
to return to Papa Echo Victor, and then from there we can see what happens.
Alright. Put that pitch there next to the other one, Carlo. You can now open the throttle slowly. Anticipate the yaw. Get the power up before you let go. Needs to go past 15. There we go. And then lower the nose. And when you get your speed, that's it. Lower the nose. Lower the nose. It's fine. Lower the nose. And get the power back. I'm just gonna turn you. You get the power back. Going quite far out here. Doing a nav. Okay. Mixture. Throttle pitch mixture is part of the power reduction.
Okay.
Alpha Yankee, keep it a car for us, is on 152 in your 12 o'clock position, also routing inbound via Sarkovs.
Yeah, you have control. I'm pushing quite a little bit of forward pressure. There we go.
Alpha Yankee.
Approach Papa Golf India is completed. Request to maintain 4,000 feet for a simulated forced landing overhead progress if you can accommodate.
Papa Golf India, report overhead progress ready for the landing.
Report overhead progress for the simulated forced landing. Thank you, Papa Golf India. Okay, I'm just gonna let the engines, oh, they're not so bad.